Hi, my name is Abdurrahman and today I will be demonstrating my final product in module of production project. So this is the Visual Studio Code. As you can see, this is the workspace and these are the files relating to Learn Autopsy website. This is the controller files, this is models files, migration files, views files and routes. A quick view to them as like there is a limit of time that this video has to be recorded. This is there is the the project or the product is running on the local host and it is running also in the URL. This will be provided to the student, so the test will be on this URL. So on the first page, on the login page, the student has to log in on the username with the C number and the university ID, and he uses his normal university password. There is a tick box which is remember me, and the student if he forgets his university password, he can use this option to reset his password. So login. So once the students log in, he will get a dashboard page. So this website has 8 sections. So the first section, it is dashboard. It has 3 call out boxes, presentation videos, lab sheets. Once the student click on presentation, for example, it will navigate into presentation section, and there is an introduction to autopsy. The second section is videos. It has 2 folders, lecture videos and lab tutorial videos. So lecture videos has 4 lectures videos, as you can see. Integrity while investigation. So the videos has been tested well. Uh, they fully worked with a clear quality of image and audio. This is the second test.
Today, I will be presenting.
So these the lecture videos, and on the lab tutorials we have 5 videos, which is downloading autopsy and creating the first case, downloading the files, and 3 features of autopsy: timeline, generate report, and keyword generating report, keyword search, and timeline. This is what the website that I have been. So this is a quick test. As I said, all of the materials has been tested that they work without any errors. So let's have the second test just to make sure. So, the third section is lab sheets. We have 3 lab sheets. Each lab sheet having multiple features of autopsy. So this is lab sheet 1, downloading smoothly without any error occurs, and all the lab sheet is provided with screenshots, with answers, and questions and answers based on the lab content. So this is lab 1. Let's go to lab 2. Lab 2 is also being tested. As you can see, lab 2, autopsy lab 2 is installed without any problems. So to save time, we will skip lab 3, or just a quick, because there is no time, 10 minutes, just to make sure it is downloaded. Autopsy lab 3, as you can see. Autopsy lab 3 downloaded without any errors. So exercise files, there are 6 exercise files with 1 file of, it might be like a guide of how to download the files. Uh, the files also has been tested of they are working without any error occurs, so the student click on download anyway, and the file will be downloaded to his desktop. So just to close these tabs, the next section is presentation. There's 4 presentation: introduction of autopsy, Autopsy Forensics Toolkit Lab 1, Lab 2, Lab 3. So the presentation has been tested also. It's in time to extracting text from PDF. So the test will be just upon two of the presentation to just make the demonstration fastly. So we will go with the third lab. It is working with no errors occurring while downloading the presentation and also viewing it. So these presentations has been used in the lecture videos. So there is a videos of the lectures and there is a slides of the lectures. Um, the student can choose whichever option he need. There is 3 quizzes. So let's just test first the third lab just to make sure it's work and without any errors. So the student will have only one time to do the quiz. He can view the score directly. There will be a response given to the student if he got the correct answer, and he will get also a response or a feedback upon the incorrect answers. So let's quiz. And the classroom activity, he needs to open Kahoot, and there will be a, a game pen provided by the tutor. So we will get back to it. So this is the frequently answered question. There is 14 question and they have been answered. This is a helpful tool for students to save time for themselves and to the tutor. So if the student log out, let's go to the admin, which is the tutor account. So the tutor account having only 2 sections, dashboard, where he can add new materials to the website. Just to click on add new, select the category, lab sheets, give a title, lab sheet 4, and just have the link of the Google Docs. It is a simple way to add new materials. The quizzes is here, as you can see. The quizzes are provided, or the classroom activities, sorry, on Kahoot. So it's being provided here. 10 questions for each activity lab. So just a host live, just to give a quick demonstration of how it works. So if we started, now Kahoot generate a game pen. So the tutor will give a game pen. Sorry upon this. The tutor will give a game pen to the student, and the student will enter the game pen here. Sorry, I didn't show you the database, PHP My Admin, created to media and users. And this was the Autopsy website. I hope anything that I didn't like briefly shown on this video, I will be answering the questions of you in the Q&As. Thank you very much for listening.